This is his 60-foot 10-inch space machine. He's got a couple machines here, and he just wanted me to look it over, verify it's good. It's got 70,000 acres on it, so whenever it has that many acres, I usually check the disc hubs and see if there's any wiggling, because it can start to be a time where you got to change the disc hubs. I'm not feeling anything bad, so maybe he already did it or they're still fine. He's done a lot of work on this already. He is looking to change these out again. He'd like to go with the notch bolt-on plate. He ran those years ago and really liked them.